Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, just give me a few minutes. I want to just talk to you guys before I show you guys my recipe. Alright, so for the month of October I was doing something called Vlogtober, and I tried to upload video every day, but out of the 31 days of October I upload 25 videos in all, so I fall short a little bit. Reason being because I was sick. Alright, but I want to thank everybody, alright, everyone who support me to my Vlogtober and watch my videos. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Alright, thank you guys so much for coming back every day and keep pushing me to make these videos for you guys. Alright, thank you. So for October I did 25 videos. So for all my new subscribers, you can go back and watch all of those 25 videos that I did for October month. But in total I have about 70 something videos on YouTube right now. Yes, 70 something video. So you guys can go check out all my other videos as well, and let's run those numbers up as well. Alright, I would really appreciate it, and give my video a thumbs up, you know, and you guys can share my video and let my channel grow. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make Guyanese Salara. Right, I'm gonna show you guys how I like to make my Salara, and I'm gonna show you guys how to let your Salara come out tasty and delicious just like mine. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you can follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Alright, I want you guys to come back every Wednesday and every Saturday. I will be uploading a video for you guys. Alright, twice a week I'll upload a video, every Wednesday and every Saturday. Alright, so come back then. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Salara, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Alright, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it and love all my subscribers. Alright, so let me just show you my. So first we have some ginger powder, salt, grated coconut, we have some milk, we have yeast, cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, vanilla essence, some baking powder, we have our red food coloring, and we have some white sugar here, and we also have some flour. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is mix our dough. Alright, so we'll be back. So the first thing you're gonna do, this is my flour here. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of salt into my flour. Then I'm gonna put in my yeast and my baking powder, and you're gonna mix this up together to form your dough. When you finish mixing it up good, you're gonna put in some butter. So you're gonna put in your butter, and then you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna mix up the butter into the flour. Alright, so we'll be back. So I just finished mixing the butter into the flour. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your milk gradually and form a dough. Alright, it's just like if you're making bread. So you're gonna knead it now for maybe about 4 to 5 minutes, right, until it gets smooth. just keep on kneading it. Okay guys, so I finished rolling out my dough here. So what I'm gonna do, I have to leave this to rest to get double in size. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna take my plastic cling wrap here and cover it and let it rest for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until you see like a double in size. Okay guys, so we're gonna mix up our filling now. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is put, this is my grated coconut, this is 2 grated coconut. So you're gonna put in some clove powder, some cinnamon powder, some nutmeg, and some ginger powder. Alright, and then you're gonna mix everything together. Okay, all my spices mix up. So what you're gonna do now is add your sugar. Alright, mix your sugar well into the coconut and the spices. Alright, so I'm gonna pour in my vanilla essence now and mix this up. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your red food coloring. All right, you're gonna pour in and mix it up. In Guyana, I never see no other color Salara. Salara in Guyana always be red. All right, as you can see, all the coconut is coated into with the red food coloring. Some people would cook this on the stove, but I prefer not to. All right, I prefer not to cook my coconut on the stove to form any juice, because look, this is already full of moisture in it. All right, so no need to cook it on the pan. It has been resting for 5 minutes. So here it is. You're gonna punch it down. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna get some flour, spread it. This I'm gonna get 2 Salara. I'm gonna just sting it in half. Put the other one back into the bowl. And this one I'm gonna roll out with my rolling pin. You don't stop that, and you just roll this out. All right, okay guys, so I finished rolling it out. So what we're gonna do now, I have some melted butter here, so I'm just gonna put the butter on here. So now you're gonna put in your filling. All right, and you're gonna spread it out. Don't put too much, you know, because you don't want it to spill out. All right, okay guys, so I finished spreading it out. So what you're gonna do now is fold it over tightly. All right, so you're gonna hold it. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, you see I haven't put these coconut mixture till at the end because you don't want it to leak. All right, so you're gonna fold this over and keep on folding it over very tightly. All right, keep on folding. All right, and when you reach at the end there, come over like this. And at the ends now, you have to like fold it in, all right, to prevent it from leaking out. Fold it in like this. You can do the other side as well. Fold it in. You see, if I had egg, I would have like make an egg wash and circuit thing here, but I don't. So you just, I'm gonna use a little water. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little water here so it can paste here. Yeah, see how it pastes now? Use a little water. But if you have egg, use the egg instead, all right? So what you're gonna do now, so I have my pan here, so I'm gonna put my parchment paper and I'm gonna lift it up gently and put it into my pan, all right? So I'm gonna fold the other one now. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just finished rolling out my other Salara, so both of them fit under one pan. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this rest for about 20 minutes to half an hour. Okay, so it has been resting for about half an hour. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to already preheat my oven. So I'm going to put this into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so my Salara finished. So this is how it's looking. It just came out of the pan. This one wanted to burst, but it didn't quite get to leak out. So I'm happy about that. So although I didn't have the egg, it didn't really leak out. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take some butter or melted butter. I can't have to melt the butter because I just get blackout. Anyway, you're gonna put the butter on top of the hot Salara. I'm gonna just put it on gently, all right? And do not cut this right now, all right? You can't cut this now. You gotta wait till this cool down for about a good maybe an hour or so, and then you can cut into it, all right? Okay guys, so the Salara cooled down. Probably like an hour now. I have it cooling down. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut it into pieces, all right? However you want to cut it. I'm cutting mine here. So whatever size you want to cut it, you cut it, all right? Okay guys, so I just finished cutting up all of them. So this is how it's looking here. I'm gonna place it now and let you guys see the end results. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese Salara. Here it is guys. This is just one I cut up. I still have another one at home. Alright. My Salara came out good. And you can see all the layers here as well. When you fold it tightly, you get these nice layers here. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video, alright? Follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright? And thank you guys so much for supporting me for my Vlogtober. So try my recipe guys and let me know how you guys Salara came out. Alright, take care. So this is my Salara here, so I'm going to taste it on camera and then you guys see, alright? Salara tastes really good. You see all the nice layers and stuff? This Salara tastes really good guys. Try my recipe. Trust me, you won't regret it at all.